What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Hisense 35-Pint Dehumidifier. Our old dehumidifier died within 2 years of buying it, so it's time to get a new one. So we purchased the Hisense 35-Pint Dehumidifier, and we'll show you how to set it up. First, remove it from the packaging and remove all the packaging tape. They package up these units pretty well, and there's lots of tape, so just make sure you remove it all. Here's a look at the bucket, if you choose to go this route. And there's a handle on top, so you can easily drain it. Behind the small door is the port for the gravity drain. You can attach a hose there. On the back of the unit, you'll see the air filter. The best way to clean this is to use a vacuum cleaner to clean the air filter, and then also wash it in warm water with a mild detergent, then reinstall. I'm going to use the gravity drain feature of this dehumidifier. So I have a small piece of hose here. This one you can actually buy, it's made for dehumidifiers. I'll leave a link in the description below. But you need to remove the bucket, open the small door on the side, insert the hose, and tighten it down firmly. Once you've done this, the gravity drain feature is enabled. And here's a close-up of what that should look like. And the catch bucket has to be reinstalled into the unit for the gravity drain system to work. Make sure that's reinstalled. And if you're not using the gravity drain system, you can just empty this bucket when it's full. On the back of the unit, you'll find the power cord. Uncoil this and plug it into the wall. Next, on the control panel, you have the power button. Then you have the timer, which you can control with the plus and the negative right here. Next is the mode button. You can toggle between auto dry, continuous, or manual set, in which case you use the plus and negative to adjust that. Then your clean filter button, which will illuminate when you need to clean the filter. Then fan speed, auto, high and low. And then your empty bucket indicator, which when the bucket's full will light up. So once you've plugged it in, you can hit the power button to start it up. And I'm going to set mine to a manual set. And I'm going to go down to 40% humidity, which is ideal for a basement. And let it run. Also, I'm going to put the fan on auto so it can adjust on its own. And you can see after it's been on for a couple minutes, it's showing 62, and my humidity monitor down here is showing 61, so it seems to be pretty accurate. And here's what it sounds like once the condenser is kicked on. It's not overly loud, but it's not quiet either. So if you have this in the room, just be aware. And within a few minutes, this is how much water was dripping out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I'll leave a link in the description below for this dehumidifier. And also be sure to check out all my other maintenance videos. And we'll see you in the next one.